How are you? Let's do our hello song. Are you ready? Hello, 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 and how are you? I'm fine, and I hope that you are too. Hola, 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 y cómo estás? Muy bien, espero tú también. Shake hands, shake hands, shake hands next to you. Shake hands, and say how do you do? How do you do? Okay, let's do our phonemic awareness. Do you remember? It is peas porridge hot, peas porridge cold, peas porridge in the pot 9 days old. Some like it hot, some like it cold, some like it in the pot 9 days old. Okay, let's do some rhyming. Repeat the words after me, and it's a ding if it rhymes and an if it doesn't. Okay? Mess, yes. Ding. Cold, hold. Ding. Peas, these. Ding. 9, 10. Hot lot. Ding. Well done. Now we are going to say the first sound that we hear, okay? Us, under, up, undo, untie, Good job. Now we're going to say 3 sounds and make a word out of it. Are you ready? H-a-g, hug. F-a-n, fun. K-at, cut. D-uck, duck. H-at, hut. Now we're going to say the last sound in a word. Okay, repeat after me. 9, like, pot, job, j. Oh, that was the beginning sound. Job, b. Rock, k. Good job. Okay, now we're going to take a word and split it into 3 sounds. Okay, ready? Bet, b-et. Fell, f-e-l. Well, w-e-l. Hen, h-e-n. Peg, p-e-g. Well done. Now then, we are going to say a sound, and then we are going to add another sound to the beginning and see what we get. Are you ready? Repeat after me. At. Add a k in front and you get cat. An. Add a v in front and you get van. Ag. Add a l in front and you get lag. App. Add a n in front and you get nap. An. Add a d in front and you get Dan. Well done. Now we're going to say a word and then we're going to take off the first sound and we see what sound we're left with. Okay, so repeat after me. Bed. Take off the b and you get ed. Pet. Take off the p and you get Den, take off the D, and you have N. Beg, take off the B, and you have egg. Peg, take off the P, and you have egg. Good, well done. Now we're going to look at some numbers today. So first of all, we're going to go from 10 to 20. Okay, so you tell me which numbers these are. We're going to go consecutively, okay? So here we have 10. After 10 is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good job. Next week, why don't we go up to 30? I think we can do that, don't you? Now let's think at how we can count. We can count upwards, can't we? So let's think of a little song. What about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let him go again. Why did you let him go? Because he bit my finger so. Which finger did he bite? This little finger on the right. Okay, should we sing that one again? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let him go again. Why did you let him go? Because he bit my finger so. Which finger did he bite? This little finger on the right. Now then, there's another way in which you can count. That was counting upwards. You can also count backwards, can't you? So let's pretend we are going to launch a rocket. Are you ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! So that's counting backwards. Should we do that again? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Good job. Now then, what does it mean to take away a number or one less? It means you start off with a number. For example, you could start off with 10 and you take 1 away and you get 9. Okay, so let's read a book. Each time something happens in this book, it's taking 1 away. It is 1 less, okay? So it's called 10 Tiny Dragons. 10 tiny dragons. So we know we're starting with 10 dragons, okay? Up above the clouds where the skies are scariest, 10 tiny magic dragons set off on a secret quest. Look out below, you knights and kings, the dragons sing with all their might, but then one soars off out of sight. So one has gone, one less. 9 tiny magic dragons swoop into a giant cave. It is dark and slightly spooky, but they're feeling bold and brave. They meet a monster huge and tall. Now they feel quite small. One tiny dragon squeals and falls. At 9, one less is 8 tiny magic dragons. Hear a rumble from afar. A volcano is waking up and shooting up at the stars. Hot balls of rock fly far and wide. One dragon sees the lava slide and quickly jumps inside to hide. So 8, take away 1 is 7 tiny magic dragons know there's treasure somewhere near. The blazing trail is dangerous, but they don't have any fear. 100 steps to a creaky door. Has anyone been here before? One dragon stops. His feet are sore. So we had 7. We take 1 away, and we get 6 tiny magic dragons whirl and twirl over the sea, where an underwater world is popping up mysteriously. What creatures lurk deep down below? The daring dragons want to know. So with a splash, away one goes. So we had 6, 1 less. 5 tiny magic dragons find themselves in a wild storm. The rain washes their flames away. How will they keep warm? They flutter energetically, whizzing around like busy bees. One flies to shelter in a tree. 5, less 1. 4 magic dragons reach a mountain towering up high. They perch a while to rest their wings. It's tiring when you fly. Their fire-breathing nostrils glow, but soon they melt a shelf of snow. One tiny dragon slips. Uh-oh! We had 4, less 1. 3 tiny magic dragons travel down to the South Pole, where they huff and puff to warm the penguins in the icy cold. A whale spurts water from her spout. It hits one dragon on the snout. Oh no! His fire fizzles out. So 3, less 1. 2 tiny magic dragons see a princess in distress. She needs a magic potion. Can the dragon help her? Yes. The outlaw's arrows whistle by. The dizzy dragons have to fly. One turns around and waves goodbye. 2, less 1. The land is dark and quiet now. One dragon sits alone. He really isn't frightened, but he'd like to be back home. It's time to end the dragon's quest. Which pathway through the trees is best? Perhaps you know, or can you guess? Hooray, it's here, the dragon's nest, and look who's hatched to join the rest. 10 tiny magic dragons are together once again, with 10 tiny dragon babies in their cozy dragon's den. Now there's another song where it's 1 less each time you sing the verse. So do you see what we have here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's counting up. Now what if we counted back? It would be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So do you know the song Five Little Monkeys Jumping on the Bed? Should we try it? Are you ready? 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, now there really are no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Should we do that again? What do you think? Let's try that again. Here we have our little monkeys. Are you ready? 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and broke his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, now there really are no more monkeys jumping on the bed. So you can try taking one less, taking one away from anything that you have at home. You could do it with markers. You could do it with toys. I'm going to try it one more time. I have here a castle wall. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So actually, let's put it up here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if I take 1 away, how many do I have left? If I take another 1 away, how many do I have left? If I take 1 away, how many do I have? Now I'm going to have 1 less. How many do I have? And the last one. I'll take this one away. How many do I have? Good. Now you can do that with your own things at home. And I hope you have some fun doing it. And you could try it with toys. You could try it with you could try it with food. If you put out 5 goldfish and you ate 1 goldfish, how many would you have left? Or you could do it with any other kind of food. You could do Cheerios or animal crackers. You could eat 1. Start with 10. Start with 5. And eat 1 and see how many you have left. Okay? Good job. Bye.